One summer day at the ballpark.
I am the man that desperately needs. I am the cream in the corn, the cream in the spinach, the man of evil deeds. I am ignorance. I am hatred. I am envy. I am the giggler. Seriously, Mr. Giggler, the really listens. I know. I do it for a fact. I know, but was that scary? Remember, shout now. I know. All these things I go through. Soon the sea will bow to me. My toxic tonic of disrespect will do these things, for I will things. And then it will turn to giggling idiots, for they will succumb to my will, for I am the giggler. The giggler is acting spending to spread his toxic tonic of disrespect. This is terrible. It can make sad people happy, turn a loyal dog to a ferocious beast. First, we have him on the tall type here. We will get him. We will be aggro. Kapling! You think you can defeat me, Ted Harris? You think you can defeat me? I will defeat you, for I am the giggler. I am ignorance. I am hatred. I am envy. I will defeat you, giggler, for it says in the Bible, we will reap what we sow. The power of God is all things. For those that are free, those shall be free. I have succumbed to my will. My will is powerful like you imagine. I do these things imagine, for I am scary. I will defeat you, for it says in the Bible, evil will never win. Evil will never win one bit, for you will never win. You Tonic gonna burn me! You Tonic gonna burn me! And now you're a defeated giggler. Don't you know cheaters only cheat themselves? To respect one another? Some things. Evil never wins.
The good book says, Lord provides everything. All things are all blessed. All things are great and joyous, for we have things. Read it from the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 13, verse 7. All things are blessed. Amen.
It's all settled. Johnny's dad's go up to the restaurant. Johnny's back with the team. It's great managing. He's back with his girlfriend. It's all great. It's all great. Everything's all Jim dandy. Well, we got the tell type. I see the Master of Darkness has escaped again. Not him again. And he'll cause darkness everywhere. I think this needs some looking into. Kabling!